Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to correctly match filament colors when printing multicolor models on the AD5X, ensuring your prints come out looking just as you planned. Let's dive into the steps. First, take a look at the IFS system on your AD5X. You'll notice it's labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Following these numbers, load each filament roll according to the colors you want for your print. Then, open the settings menu on the printer screen. Here, assign the correct color and filament type for each channel, making sure each color matches exactly. Once you set this up, it's time to move on to slicing the model. Scenario 1. Printing via Wi-Fi. After completing the color settings, go to Orca Flashforge on your computer and finish adding color to your model. When you're ready, hit the print button. A confirmation window will appear, where you can select the filament channels that match your model's colors. Double-check your selections, then choose the AD5X as the device, and send the print job. The AD5X will start the multicolor print automatically. Scenario 2. Printing via USB drive. If you're using a USB drive to transfer the sliced file, copy the file onto the drive and insert it into the AD5X. On the printer screen, click the model icon to start the job. A color matching window will appear, allowing you to select the corresponding filament channels for each color in your model. Once the colors are matched, simply hit print, and the AD5X will follow the specified colors during printing. Feel free to share this tutorial. If you have any suggestion, please leave your comment below. We will update soon.